Here's some Feminism Waves trivia. Subscribe. Who is a prominent figure of the second wave? Is it A. Betty Friedan, B. Simone de Beauvoir, C. Susan B. Anthony, or D. Gloria Steinem? The correct answer is A. Betty Friedan. What landmark work did Betty Friedan publish? Is it A. Gender Trouble, B. The Feminine Mystique, C. The Second Sex, or D. A Room of One's Own? The correct answer is B. The Feminine Mystique. When did the third wave of feminism start? Is it A. 1960s, B. 1990s, C. 2000s, or D. 1980s? The correct answer is B. 1990s. What concept emerged during the third wave? Is it A. intersectionality, B. post-colonial theory, C. liberal feminism, or D. gender essentialism? The correct answer is A. intersectionality. What aspect of feminism did the fourth wave emphasize? Is it A. digital activism, B. traditional values, C. economic equality, or D. body neutrality? The correct answer is A. digital activism. In which year did Me Too gain worldwide attention? Is it A. 2015, B. 2017, C. 2020, or D. 2018? The correct answer is B. 2017. Which state was the first to grant women the vote? Is it A. Texas, B. California, C. Wyoming, or D. New York? The correct answer is C. Wyoming. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.